Hey y'all, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I'm so excited because I just received this box from the folks over at Nancy's Notions, and I have absolutely no idea what is inside of this. They wrote to see if I was interested in working with some of their signature products, and of course, yes, it's an amazing website that they have, and I spent, in fact, more than an hour looking through all the goodies there and found a lot of things that I was interested in. So it's pretty heavy, and as you can see, it's pretty big. So I've just thought it would be awfully fun to open it with you all, especially since this doesn't happen very often, right? It's like my own happy mail day. These aren't my good scissors. I know that's awful. I should do something better than use my scissors for that. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? Cool. All right, so I think that, yeah, this is what everybody's been using for the jelly roll rugs. That's awesome. They must have like a peek into my Pinterest private board because this was on there, so that's super fun. So we're definitely going to use that for something. Let's see what else we got here. Well, first we have a little note here from Lora. It says, "Looking forward to hearing from you, Andrea. Happy Easter." Lora. Very nice. Thank you so much, Lora. And Lora is the product manager and buyer at Nancy's Notions.com. So, wow, there's a lot of stuff inside of here. Okay, let's dig in. Ooh, fun, 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 fun. All right, this here is a roll and press. I can definitely see how that will be handy making the tunics for sure. This looks really fun too. This is a quilt and stitch presser foot. It's going to be really fun to try, yes. If anybody has one of these, please leave me a comment and let me know how you like it. This looks very interesting. It's for parallel line straight stitching, straight line machine quilting. So this will be great for the patchwork bags that we all love so much. Ooh, I wonder what these are. Any guesses? They're bobbin clips. Oh, thank you so much. You all know, if you've been watching for a year or so at least, you saw my nightmare thread situation. So I'm just assuming that you put the bobbins in here and then they don't make a mess. Wonderful. We'll try that out right away. This is a fingertip stiletto. And I'm not exactly positive how you use this, but we will find out. And we got a coupon, $5 off your next order. That's great. I wonder if they put that in with every order. Whoa! How cool. A Tailors clapper. Press and flatten fabric without burning or scorching. Use iron to pump heat and or steam into fabric. With clapper in other hand, lift iron and firmly press clapper down over the iron spot. Super cool. My daughter would have appreciated this before I burned her chorus dress. Shh. I'm glad I have it. Thank you, Laura. Oh, this looks fun. A faith-filled fabric panel. Let's open that up. This is like Christmas, folks. This is the Easter basket I didn't get. Aww. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me see what it says. Be kind to one another. Yes, indeed. To everything there is a season. So true. Most of all, let love guide your life. The Lord is my strength and my song. A friend loves at all times. The earth is full of goodness of the Lord. Live in harmony with one another. Everything in love, and love is patient, love is kind. That is really beautiful, truly beautiful. So we will definitely have to plan something fun for these. I imagine separating them and turning them into their own individual works of art. All right. This is a seriously gorgeous tissue. It can't be tissue. So, any guesses? It's fabulous. But we're going to have to look at the invoice there and see what exactly this is, but it's really pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, it's the RFID blocking fabric. My friend Flora here on YouTube is going to be thrilled with that. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So that keeps your credit cards safe inside of the wallet or purse. Amazing. And it is very pretty as well. Really, really fun. Okay, nothing in there. Oh, these look fun. Now I know why the box was so heavy between the clapper and this. No more slipping. Apply to the back of any ruler. So we got some true grips. And then we have a set of quick cut block templates. You all are going to keep me busy for the rest of the summer playing with these goodies. So I didn't really know what we were doing next. Next up, guys, is the Nancy Notions series. I'm going to learn how to use every single one of these goodies in this box. And, oh, fun, fun, fun. Oh, look, we can use the, I think it's Bosel, the jelly roll rug to make these gorgeous projects. That's so very thoughtful of you too, Laura. These are really beautiful. I don't know if any of you have tried that yet, but really stunning. So I'm very excited about that. Then in here I have a split Tumbler template, easy to follow instructions for 4 projects. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Did I tell you all before that I have remnants from all of the original fabrics that I started my business with? They're all Amy Butler fabrics, and that's what I'm going to do right here. This quilt I'm going to make from those fabrics, and the reason that they're so special to me, beyond the fact that those are the fabrics that I started my business Watermelon Wishes with in 2006, and I've been hanging on to them specifically to make a quilt, and now I have a pattern and an excuse and the tools. But Amy Butler is retiring this year, yeah. So I had the honor of meeting her and spending a weekend with her, and she is a treasure, an absolute treasure. And in person, I let her know that she really was the inspiration behind me starting to sew bags and become a maker and learn to sew. So this is very, very special. Wow. And then one more goodie, and it looks completely incredible. This is Easy Half Square Triangles template. Create 8 half square triangles with only 4 seams and 4 cuts. Okay, this is my kind of tool. Easy, right? This looks very cool. So there you have it. We know what we're going to be doing for a while. Thank you so much to everybody over at Nancy's Notions. And a special thank you to Lora Benway, the product manager and buyer. We're going to have a blast here at Sewspire.com, learning how to use all of these goodies. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Obviously, please check out nancysnotions.com. I'll put the link in the profile, And let's all say a big thank you, because I think we're all going to benefit from this box, aren't we? Okay, so have a wonderful day. I will see you all soon. I'm going to choose what we're going to make, and then we're going to get sewing with one of these or two of these tools. All right, thank you all. As always, please know the creative genius in me will be celebrating the creative genius in you.